What is up, beautiful people? Thank you for pressing on the channel. I just finished up my 8-mile run. It was nice and chill. It's pretty hilly out here. We're actually in Alabama at DeSoto State Park for a teen camp. We've got a couple workouts throughout the week, but we're staying here for a couple days. Word is that there's a cliff jumping spot near the falls, so you know that's calling my name, but that will be later in the video. We're about to do some yoga. Let's get into it. Roll intro. What you got to say, bro?
I hope everybody has a beautiful and nice day.
Punch signs over here. Haven chilling in the Eno. Haven just transferred here from ECU. We got SK. What you got to say? Anything?
Ouch, I just got hit in the face with a frisbee.
Yeah, I accidentally hit her with a frisbee. David is the dad of the team.
I'm attempting to clean the pot that we neglected for 2 days.
Oh, Levi's about to shower. We just had a workout this morning. We had a hard workout. We did 10 400s. I'll drop the splits here. Pop. But we're gonna film the rest of today.
Yeah.
How was the workout?
It was crazy, dude. Like,
crazy?
Oh my god,
This
bro.
man is so cracked. He did 2 extra ones.
You know me,
Yeah.
Come on.
Sean, how was the workout, bro?
It was pretty hard, not gonna lie. I had to drop back.
With a girls team.
You had to drop back.
I couldn't catch up with punchlines.
Faster than last week, which, you know, always improvement. I'm very hot. I'm overeating.
Just on your feet, though. Yeah. We really out here playing spike ball. All right, here we have the losers bracket.
Who is going to be the worst spike ball team here?
Damn.
They body.
No. Oh, wait.
19s for the losers bracket. Oh! Damn! Oh! Match point.
It's over.
Post-game interview. How does it feel to be the winner of the losers bracket?
It feels amazing, bro. We still got this in the bag. We got this back up. Oh.
How does it feel to be the loser? How does it feel? JL.
It's rigged. It's rigged. There was something wrong with the net. It was J-Dubs, now it's JL.
Alright, so the boys and I have an 8-mile run. We're gonna be filming Ben Crawford style. I don't know if I'm gonna make it all the way. This is the Ben Crawford for the day. I am the Rachel MacArthur. Oh, you could be Reed Brown. Who is SJ? SJ can...
She can be Courtney White.
Solo form analysis for Sean Gore here. You gotta speed walk. Okay.
Gotta be like 8 miles per hour. How many breaks up to?
What pace are we going?
7:16. Come on, get it, big boy. Go. Send it. Go. Yeah.
Like, what
You gotta do them.
got a little 6:44.
Was that third mile?
Yeah.
Hello everyone. Thank you for pressing on the channel. I'm Carson Philbin. I'm a transfer sophomore and I really don't have any PRs from recently other than high school. We're about to do some intros of all the boys. Let's get it.
Name, punchlines. Grade, freshman. PR, 3140, 10K. Oosh. Oosh. Come on.
Name, David Fuller. Grade, junior. PR, 1 hour 19 half marathon.
Name, Sean Gore. Grade junior. PR, 26:12 8K.
I'm trying. It's really hard. I
Alright.
promise.
My name is Miles. I'm a junior. My PR is 4:30 in the mile.
My name's Haven Frost Honeycutt. I'm technically a sophomore. I'm a transfer. PR, the 2 miles 9:18. Name, formerly J Dubs, now JLs. I'm a freshman, and I'm a 3'6" high jumper. Let's pass the dogs. I don't want the dogs taking my spotlight. Go! Alright, my name's Leviticus, also known as Leviathan. I'm a junior. PR in the 800 is 156.
Alright, I'm SJ Foreman, and I'm going into my junior year, and my PR in the mile is 5:08. Sarah, also known as SK or Sarah K, or Stark by some people, and Laura. Only seen you here. It was kind of weird, but good. I don't know. 62,400.
Yo. So we're going to a waterfall, the same waterfall we went to the other day when we had that whole sequence. But word is you can jump off the top of that waterfall, which makes it like a 105-foot drop, which is definitely the tallest drop I've ever jumped. Yeah, I'm low-key nervous, not gonna lie. Holy shit, I'm like actually nervous.
I just don't want to be the only one down there.
Wait, you're going to the bottom too?
Yeah, we want 2 spotters down there.
Oh man. I'm scared as Alright, we about to do this.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
It's been fun. but it is sad because we're leaving. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below your favorite part of the video so I know who the real ones are that stayed to the very end. And of course, if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button and follow all these beautiful people on Instagram. I have now relocated to my new school in Savannah, Georgia, and I have a lot of amazing things planned. I'll see you very soon. Stay safe. I love you all. Peace. And I think I got one.
Yeah, and I think I got one. Yeah, I got one. And I think I got one.
Sometimes you gotta write a new love song to get the old ones out your brain.
He just said, well, you don't have to do it. And I was like, thinking, yeah, but mama ain't raised no bitch.